Hello, warm welcome. My name is David Oisamuji. I'm here with you with another t-shirt design. If you are just joining me for the first time, I say welcome, and thank you for clicking through to learn a new t-shirt design. This t-shirt design will help you make passive income. If passive income is what you want to do, then please stick around to the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you how to make simple t-shirt designs that make passive income daily while you sleep, play, eat, or joke around. So if that's something you're interested in, please make sure you watch this video to the very end. I'll be going to my screen very soon to show you how to do that. If you've been following me, if you've been watching my video from the beginning, I say thank you. You guys are really amazing. I really appreciate you guys' time. You guys have spent a lot of time on my video, and some of you are already leaving good comments of making money from it already. You've learned how to create your own designs yourself, so you don't pay freelancers, sorry, to design for you anymore. And I'm super happy about that. That is the aim, so that you'll be able to make your own designs yourself. Don't spend extra money on getting freelancers to do your designs for you. You can do your designs yourself easily from home. As you can see, I'm sitting in my home here, and I'm going to do that for you. So please, thank you guys for watching. So without wasting much of your time, we're just going to go straight onto my system, and I'll see you just after the video. So let's do that. So now we're on my system. As you can see, we're on my system. Please, if you've not followed me, make sure you follow me. So we're just going to click on new. You're going to go to canva.com. We're going to be using canva.com for this design. We're going to be using canva.com. Canva.com is what I use. So click on create new. Custom dimension, the standard is 4500 by 5400. So you always want to do this. Make sure you use the standard always when you make your designs. You always want to do that. So now we have that all set. It's going to be a simple design, a text design. So we're just going to click on the text. As you see, click on the text. So I'm going to use this first. Or let me find another one. Okay, I'm going to use this first. So I'll just click on that. As you can see, it's black. So I'm just going to make it bigger. So to do that, I'll hover my mouse, my cursor on this edge, press down my left mouse click button. I'm going to drag that outward like that. I'm going to move that like so. So now we have that ready for us. So the first thing I want to do is to click on that, Control A, then Control V. I already have my word like that. So that says trillionaire. Control A. This one will say in the making. So now you have it like so. So now what do I want to do next? I want to ungroup this, because obviously I don't want them to be black. I want to ungroup this, but before I ungroup, I can actually change the color. So I can just change the color from beginning, but I would like to change the color separately. As you can see, I can change that color and change this color too. So just do Control A for this color, and I'll just change that to, I'll say brown. Say brown. So as you can see, then next I want to ungroup these two layers. Why do I want to ungroup them? I'll explain why shortly, because now you can see this one is quite small, and I would like to make it bigger a bit. So just increase this a bit. So I'll move my mouse to this edge, and I just drag that outward. I'll move that like so, just like so. So as you can see, you can move that way. So I'll just reduce the dots. Okay, so now I'll click on the trillionaire. Who does not want to be a trillionaire? If you want to be a trillionaire, let me know in the comments. Like this video and drop me a comment stating how many or how far do you want to go to be a trillionaire, how long do you want to take to be a trillionaire? Let me know in the comments. We all want to be, definitely. So let's know in the comments. So now we have this, just like that, just like that. So we have that, and now we have just what we want on our shirt planned out. But as you can see, we have this white background. Yes, this is where I'll tell you to get Canva Pro. You can see this is where I'll tell you to get Canva Pro. I'll explain that in the end. You see, if you click on download, and you go over to create transparent background, it's going to tell you to get the pro version. But I've got you covered. Just check the first link in the description. Follow the first link in the description. When you sign up with the first link in the description, you're going to get 30 days free of Canva Pro, so you can use that to make your designs and get rid of the white background. When you create your design, make sure as you signed up with Pro and using Pro, make sure you click on transparent background so that you get rid of the white background, because you don't need the white background. If you are serious about print on demand, you definitely don't need the white background. So to get rid of that, make sure you do Canva Pro. There's a link in the description, the first link in the description. Make sure you follow that link to get Canva Pro. Sign up with that link and you get Canva Pro for 30 days free on me. So make sure you do that. So click on download, preparing your downloads. So your download is gonna, you can see. So now if you go over show folder, this is it. If you click on it, as you can see, we have our design, but we have the white background. And this is where I'll say, please, if you're serious about print on demand and you don't want to get complicated with Photoshop, which is super expensive, or with any other app which you have to download, this one with canva.com, you don't have to download any app. All you need to do is to use your Chrome browser or any other browser and work from here. But if you need it without the background, which you must, if you are going to be using it for your t-shirt business, you want to make passive income from print on demand, your t-shirt business, I would advise you to get Canva Pro so that you can always get rid of the white background. Check the first link in the description and you're going to get Canva Pro for absolutely free for 30 days. You can make as much design as you want. Canva Pro is super cheap, just like a cup of coffee. Yeah, you know what I mean, just like a cup of coffee, and you're going to get Canva Pro. So you definitely want to get Canva Pro. So with that said, I'm going to see you on the next one. Stay blessed, and I love you all. You guys are amazing.